For the thousands of fans who travel the world for the beautiful game, the experience doesn't start at the stadium, it begins in the heart of the host city. In May 2025, that city was Munich. In collaboration with the City of Munich, we helped craft that welcome. 140 lamppost banners became the landmarks of the celebration, guiding supporters on their path through the city, building the anticipation with every step and bringing the energy of the final to every corner. Because a great event isn't just something you watch, it's something you experience. And at Bay Media, we set the stage.